OPCH stock analysis Tuesday and onwards. Am I buying? I'm covering all that in this short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. And with option care health, we're sitting at $27.72, 15% up. We're filling the exact gap from this. Seems like the daily gap, yeah, daily gap we have there. Weekly chart seems like a very solid trend, although we had a pretty decent retracement. I'm not gonna immediately get involved in those longs purely because, you know, because we have like a double gap going on here. So the likelihood of the price actually going lower and then filling those things out is quite high. And the only thing that I would be interested in is if the price gives me a proper shift. And then and only then I'll get involved. I mean, bro, other than that, everything else is nice, you know? So I put like a little confirmation here. I'll only move forward if the price pulls down and gives me the rules. But other than that, you know, I'm not just gonna like long at the top. You know, it doesn't make sense to me. If you want to make more money trading in a more lean, simple way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter. Goodbye.